we have an unboxing. Mr. Weedy Guitar Studios giveaway guitar. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so unboxing Weedy's guitar. Come to find a few issues that needed some attention. One of them being a little bit of a crack in the neck pocket. I was kind of worried about this one, thinking that it was through to finish, continued on into the wood, and might have been a big issue. But after removing the neck of the guitar, it seemed like it was looked like it was all right. I didn't put any stress on it to see if I can get a little gap to open up or not. I didn't want to force it any more than what it already is as far as the finish goes. I'm going to see if I could try to fix the finish. And also I'm going to put some either some of the super glue with the what the hell you call that stuff, the spray to get it to dry faster, or just use some good old, Tight Bond 2 wood glue and force it inside of the wood grain, the neck pocket area. And if the neck doesn't fit correctly, then I'll have to do a little bit of sanding, glue, kind of squeeze out whatever if there's any, and hopefully that will take care of that problem right there. Now, another problem I found was that the neck had a slight twist to it at the headstock, and if it was the way, in this picture you're looking at it, the arrow pointing downwards at the area, that's the area that is twisted downwards. And it starts off kind of like, I'd say maybe at the 4th or 5th fret, and it's just a slight twist. It's there. It's not really noticeable to the eye, but when I put my straight edge on it, I can see it with that. And it's not much, but enough to want to do something about it. So I ended up taking, and I got a 2x4, got some pencil erasers, put some pencil erasers on top of the 2x4, put the neck across the top of the 2x4, locking in the back where the heel is of the neck and the center of the neck, and applying pressure kind of where the twist is to push that back upwards, and bringing it over to, now I don't have a steamer. Well, actually I do have a steamer, but it's I don't know, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass, and it just spits and sputters. But the sink that I have in the basement over here is our water temperature can get very, very hot, to where it's not supposed to burn you, but we have it set pretty warm. And I used the steam from the sink to basically soften up the neck a little bit, and adding a little bit of pressure, taking a look at it, adding a little bit of pressure to it, and then bringing it in the garage under a halogen, just a regular halogen lamp that creates pretty much a lot of heat. Set it on top of the workbench and just let the light kind of dry it out a little bit. After checking it, it's fine now. It's actually took the twist out, and I can continue to work on this thing. So it's going to be a little bit, considering now it's the holiday and stuff, and other things that I'm trying to juggle around here and there with stuff around here. But I'm going to get this done for him.